Get back. You will. You will.
He's a policeman.
On June 27, 2025, in Jacksonville, Florida, Officer Carl Lampkin responded to a call about a child allegedly being chased by dogs and sitting on a family's car. Florida Statute 767.03 states, "The owner of any dog that bites any person while such person is on or in a public place shall be liable for damages suffered by persons bitten." The situation escalated when Kimberly Barris, the homeowner, opened her gate at Lampkin's request to prove her dogs wouldn't leave the yard. Her 1-year-old Great Dane mix, Lucy, emerged, bit Lampkin on the hand and leg, and was fatally shot by the officer. The family, including Barris's son, witnessed the shooting, sparking outrage and accusations of excessive force. Lampkin's decision to shoot rather than use non-lethal measures like retreating or calling animal control has fueled debate over whether his actions were justified or a reckless overreach, setting the stage for a federal investigation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey,
How you doing this morning?
just fine.
Okay. The reason why I'm out here about a call about a kid on your car being chased by dogs and your husband pulling the gun on him.
We don't even own a gun, for one.
Okay.
Two, my husband never made it out of the house. I got woke straight up from my dogs racing hell. I opened the door. My gate was open. There's no way for my gate to get open if somebody don't open my gate. So I go out in my underwear, shut the gate. I turn around and come back in the house, and he's sitting on the back of the car. I said, "Get off the car." "No, your dogs are chasing me." I said, "My dogs are in this fence. Get off the car." He refused to get off the car.
Okay.
So I told him it was about to be a bad day for him, and I come back in the back door, and when I did, he took off running up the road. That's the last we seen of him.
Okay.
I was hoping his mama would come back down here. You don't send a kid out at 6:30 in the morning, somebody's house opening a gate in their backyard.
So is he in your backyard?
He was. He had to have been. The gate was open. My dogs would have been out.
Our dog surprised him when he stepped in
Yeah,
that gate.
that's what happened. I've already had my heat pump stolen out here. I've had a table stolen out here. That's why those dogs
And
are back there.
was he standing on the top of your car?
Yes.
On the back of the
trunk
car.
of the car.
And would not
Okay.
leave.
Was his mother on the phone at any time?
I don't know. He got down and ran, and that's all we know is he ran around that.
And where were your
corner up
dogs?
That road. In the
fence.
backyard.
Did your dogs ever come outside?
Nope.
No.
You can go back there and
You
open
can.
that
I'll go
gate.
open it right now, and they will not come out of that fence on you.
Okay. Well, let me see him. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing
Come on.
great. You, sir?
No, go ahead. You go open the gate. I'll be there.
Besides getting woke the hell up.
Okay. Did you have something in your
Oh,
hand?
no, sir. I had my fist, and that's what I intended to use when I got to him.
Did you see him in your backyard or anything? Okay.
But what my wife says is true.
Okay.
My dogs don't go outside that damn fence if it's open. It can be wide open, and they don't go outside that fence.
Okay. And stay right here. Well, he's out the gate. Hey, bud. Hey,
Come on.
get back. Get down.
Why would you do that?
Oh, your dog bit me.
Oh my God! You really just shot my dog.
What the?
Get back.
Oh my dog! Oh my God!
You motherfucker!
You will. You will.
He's a policeman, dog.
Where's my
He
dog?
killed her. He killed her.
You dog!
Killed her.
You motherfucker! Why did you kill my fucking dog?
Let him loose. Let him loose.
I will fuck you up!
Let him loose.
Me up. You're just.
No, I'll goddamn kill you!
Mike 319, give me 1033,
sorry.
similar unit, and send us sergeant. Buddy, you'll get yourself in trouble.
Motherfucker! You better get the fuck out!
No, sir.
Dog.
Get the fuck!
You killed my dog. Why would you do that? Oh my
Hey.
God.
shit!
Dude, you're gonna get yourself in trouble. I'm trying to save
You
you.
better leave my goddamn house.
Get back. Stay
Right now.
Ma'am, get
Leave
back.
my goddamn house
No, I'm not.
right now.
It's okay. It's okay. It's what you just did to my kid's dog.
You leave my goddamn house.
Sir, I'm trying to save you. Sir, I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to save you.
You let my dog out and
Hey.
you killed it. You made me
Ma'am,
let
your dog
the
bit me.
out and you killed it.
Your dog bit me.
Why? Because you made me let her out.
Okay, give me that paper.
You made me let her out.
You're a sorry motherfucker.
You go about your business.
You are a sorry motherfucker.
car.
Killed my dog.
You made her let him
Killed
out.
her.
Okay, it's on the camera.
Sorry, mother.
Your dog wouldn't bite.
Killed her. I didn't say she wouldn't bite. I said she wouldn't come
You
out.
said she's friendly.
Oh my God. You see what you just did?
Ma'am,
Oh, I would have punched you in your goddamn mouth.
you will not do that. You will not
I
do
swear
that.
to God, I want to.
Listen, I say if you want,
Man.
you will not. You will not. You will not
You
punch me.
think I fucking want you?
You will not. Take him in the house.
He killed her.
You think I fucking want you? Come here.
Do it.
Come here, motherfucker.
Get your son. Get your son. Get your son. I know you're upset.
No, you know I'm upset.
Calm down. Calm down. I know you're upset.
He killed her, Johnny.
I know he
He
did.
killed her.
I know he did.
God almighty, that was my dog.
Mike 319.
My guard dog.
Come, sir, give me that tablet.
Are
No,
you
look at this because that shows he did it.
Got an 18 to a
He
dog?
did it.
18 to a dog. Shots fired.
He killed
I
her.
wanna know why.
7-7. They're a bit upset.
Kyle, get back in that fucking house. I want to see my fucking dog.
I'm right here.
I'm gonna fuck you up, you son.
No, you're not.
Please don't go with that. Please don't.
The family now sees their deceased dog around the corner of their home.
You got back in.
Oh my God.
Oh, you stupid motherfucker. Oh, you stupid son of a bitch.
Don't look at her. Don't look.
Oh, you motherfucker. Damn it. Oh, you motherfucker.
You should get it.
Quit and go in the fucking house.
Put your son in the house.
You should be in some really big trouble.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Just-
and go
You
Please.
need to be in trouble.
Dude, damn it.
Look what you did to her. Does that not bother you at all? On a dog that was protecting me and my kids. And you let some black person
Ma'am.
come out here and sit on my car. And then you
I didn't let him do
my
anything.
Dog.
Hey, I just want to know one thing.
You
Hey,
killed my
my
dog.
sergeant lieutenant coming.
Why did you make her go open that fence?
Yeah, he did it. He
She said the dog would not come outside.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have had her do that.
Hey,
And it lured my dog out. I'll beat your goddamn brains out.
all right, buddy. We ain't gonna.
You know what's going on.
Get in the fucking house. God damn it.
Hey,
You f***ed up. You fucked
You
up.
had my dog, her to go open that fucking gate. And then you shoot my fucking dog.
okay. Calm down, sir, my lieutenant.
No, it ain't okay.
Okay.
I'm the calmest fucking one here.
I know you are. I appreciate that.
Because it was a black person. That's all it was. You killed my f***ing dog and you don't even care about my kids sitting here seeing it.
Yes, sir. She bit me on the arm and she bit me on the back of my leg. Sorry it happened. Sorry it happened. Sorry your son upset. Sorry your family
I'm
got
sorry
chased.
too, man. That was when our
Bro, listen.
dog I had. That's just stupid.
Sorry it happened, but it happened. We can't change it. The dog bit me. And I'm not gonna let the dog tear up my Achilles. I got
You shouldn't have had her open that
Why the f*** did you kill my dog? That's not okay.
Listen,
Because there was one on our car.
everybody's got to calm down. I want to get real close and personal with you, motherfucker.
Dude, you're gonna get yourself hurt. I done took a couple of listen, I bagged back from you twice. I'm trying to save you.
Shoot a dog here.
I'm trying to save you. You need to calm down.
I want real close and personal with you.
Okay. You say one more thing.
What you gonna
You
do to me? What you
listen.
gonna do, motherfucker? You shoot me too?
Yes, he will.
You better go. You better go in the house. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you now. Go in the house. Go in the house.
Oh my God.
You said two things. Go in the house.
Look at that.
That's it.
That dog. You see that daughter right there?
What's your
Take
fucking
your
name?
daughter and your son in the house. That's it,
What you did.
ma'am.
That's what the f*** you did.
Okay.
Okay. We're white.
Oh, wow.
Sir, I can deal with that. There's no problem. Take them in the house. I'm not gonna deal with your son making statements talking about what he'll do.
Let her out of the gate and then shot her.
Okay.
You're a son of a bitch. I'm gonna tell you that.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
was
Thank
my
you for that
kid's
compliment.
life right
I appreciate it.
Am I gonna bury
My kid's life. Thank you.
Okay.
You don't deserve to wear that badge. No, he don't.
Thank you, ma'am.
And he's not going to anymore after this. You don't deserve it. Go get your phone.
Sir.
Take pictures of all this.
We got cameras.
Oh my God. Don't look at her. Just don't look at her. That was baby. Deserve it. The only thing that protected me since I've been here with all these people stealing from me.
I want to hurt that motherfucker. Kyle, shut the fucking door. Take that fucking badge off. Take that gun off and let's fucking fight, son of a bitch. What? Take that goddamn belt off. Take it off. Take it off. Kim, shut that door.
Your son's gonna be arrested. Did your dog have rabies shots?
Huh?
Your dog was registered with rabies shots?
Oh, yeah.
Got the paperwork? Hey.
Oh, they did.
I know it's stressful.
It is.
Sir, I know it's stressful, but your son's gonna get himself in a bunch of trouble. I don't care how hot his head is. I don't care how hot his head is. He's crossing the line.
Oh, you crossed the line when you were shot.
No, you probably crossed the line when you put the gun on the kid and ran him down the street.
I didn't pull no gun. I ain't got no gun.
646.
All right. Sir, you can search.
Listen,
Back up.
you getting.
You trying to kill my goddamn dog. House and the door. What's wrong with y'all? Shut that.
Now, he's making these statements. I done told him I done told him. I told him.
Come over here.
Kimberly Barris filed a federal lawsuit against Officer Lampkin and the city of Jacksonville in December 2024, alleging violations of her 4th and 14th Amendment rights. The 4th Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, while the 14th Amendment ensures due process and equal protection under the law. The lawsuit claims Lampkin's actions, shooting Lucy without notifying animal control, constituted an unlawful seizure of property and a failure to follow protocol. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office Response to Resistance Board deemed Lampkin's actions within departmental guidelines, citing the bites as justification. However, the lack of de-escalation and the emotional toll on the family who watched their pet die has intensified scrutiny of Lampkin's conduct, with the lawsuit pushing for accountability and exposing potential flaws in police training and response.
I'll be back. If you want to talk to me, you come over here.
I was going to tell you, you can search my house. I don't own a gun.
Okay, I don't know that. I don't know you. I don't know the people on the phone. You understand?
Right.
Your wife offered to do it. I said, go ahead. I oblige. Did she not say that?
Yes, she did.
She said, my dogs do not. I said,
But
open
you
it.
also had the option to say, no,
Listen.
ma'am, that's not necessary.
Listen, I was giving her the benefit of the doubt to prove what she was telling me. Okay? Dog came out friendly. I put my hand to sniff it like I always do.
Yeah.
He sniffed, then double back and bit me in the back of my leg.
Okay.
Your son, it's unacceptable. I backed back twice so I wouldn't shoot him.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't tase him. And he's gonna come out here with those threats. You can go over there with Sergeant Kuiper.
And who'd that be?
The sergeant right here, the stripes on. My lieutenant will be here shortly.
How you doing? How's it going, sir? Pretty good. So,
I'm trying. We're trying to get through this.
Right.
We understand this is a horrible situation. He is not helping. We cannot get to the bottom of this until.
well, you seen me put him back in the house when you got here.
Yes, I get that. I get that. And him bringing the children outside to see the dog laying dead on the. That's not helping anything. So let us figure this out. We're working on this. Okay, I promise you. Okay.
Right in front of my kid.
46.
She should have ripped
Go ahead.
the
Situation.
Sorry, son of a bitch.
Don't you dare shoot him!
No, you're not.
Hey, detain him.
Don't you dare shoot him! Don't come in my gate. It says no trespassing.
Get back.
Get your finger out of my face.
He threw a Coca-Cola or whatever he threw.
636.
He's done. He's done.
Go. No.
Get your fucking finger in my face.
dog in there. Don't go in there. There's another dog in there.
Hey,
Go in there. That other dog will bite you. I'm
Well,
telling
you need to move your other dog.
hey, ma'am, get your dog, get your children in the house.
No, you cannot walk up in this fence.
He's going to jail.
Don't go in this fence.
Ma'am,
Well, then you go get your dog.
Y'all shot the other one, so
You need
she's
to go
with.
get your dog now.
I tried to save him. That's it.
Peachy?
Yes, sir.
All units on the cell 19. Today to attack 1. All units on the cell 19. Parkview and Rockwood.
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm 100% good.
Do me a favor. Don't make sure he doesn't come out the front for me.
10-4.
But,
Good morning. Need to detain their son. Got a little bit emotional. Threw something at me. Making a bunch of emotional statements. Yeah, I'm good.
What's his deal?
I was just making a bunch of statements. Then he threw a can soda or something at me.
Like whizzed by you and you moved, or?
I moved, but he threw it as good enough. If it was 6 miles away,
Okay.
He threw it at me with the intent to hit me.
I just want to make sure that we have what we need.
What was the original reason for the call?
Original reason, had a kid call, said the dogs were out there, got up the fence. He was on the back of the car. Dad came out, chased him down the street with a gun. Wife says he was sitting on the back of the car, wouldn't move, said the dogs were out of him. Denied the dad having the gun. She said her dogs would not come out the gate. And she said, I can open the gate, the dogs will come out the gate. And she opened the gate. Dog came out with head lowered, tail wagging.
That dog?
Yeah. Came out with head lowered, tail wagging. I put my hand down for normally sniff the back of your hand.
Okay.
So it bites my finger, then turns around, bite at my back leg like my Achilles, lower Achilles, which he bites that too. Fired a couple shots, hit him. Son comes out making all statements.
Is that the son?
Yeah. One time he picks up the thing. I back back. He came. He back back. I had the gun out and I back back and I'm like, hey, trying to save you. I asked the dad to get him in the house, de-escalate it. I walked around the house when they were talking and to get my tablet. He actually threw something at me, like a can soda.
Homeboy did?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's it.
Okay.
That's it for me.
And I'm done. That dog is his? Or
Kid's dogs.
He has enough.
Listen, he threw something at me.
No, I get it. I get it.
I'm gonna leave it at that. You already know.
All right.
The shooting of Lucy and the subsequent arrest of Barris's son for assault after he threw a soda can at Lampkin have ignited public controversy over police use of deadly force. Florida Statute 776.06 authorizes deadly force only when an officer reasonably believes that such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm. Critics argue that a dog bite, even if painful, did not meet this threshold, especially without attempts at non-lethal intervention. The family's grief, captured on bodycam footage, has resonated widely, with many questioning why an officer would escalate a minor call into a deadly encounter. As the federal lawsuit progresses, this case highlights systemic issues in police discretion, prompting calls for reform and stricter oversight to prevent such tragedies from tearing families apart. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.